In other news, the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, is also warning businesses to brace for increased security expenses come April. Effective April 1, the employment status for security guards will be upgraded from contract workers to employees. Sandy Williams reports.
The JMEA President, John Mahfood, is projecting a 30% increase in the cost of security expenses for companies. Hence, this word of caution.
Companies are going to have to look at how they balance the cost of security with the threat, and they are going to have to implement increases in prices, and I estimate about 30% increases to compensate for that.
The warning follows Thursday's announcement by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark that a task force has been appointed over the next 100 days to speak with security firms and amend a number of contracts with government entities. Dr. Clark said the government has set aside a few $1 billion to pay an increase to security providers. It's in keeping with a 2022 Supreme Court ruling that security guards should be treated as employees and not contractors. In the meantime, Mr. Mahfood is reminding stakeholders that security is a major component of business planning. He is again raising concerns about the number of robberies affecting established businesses. On Friday, more than $3 million was robbed from the Hilo supermarket at the Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay, St. James. In Stony Hill, St. Andrew, thieves attempted to break into a NCB automated banking machine. While manufacturers do not store a large sum of cash, the JMEA president says its members are still at risk.
The risk there is break-ins, and then you're talking about prevention for break-ins, whether it is security guards or alarm systems, intrusion alarm systems. So we try to encourage our members to have as much intrusion alarms as possible.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.